Saturday. Mitas espero que po yung bon simang whatever that means to you. Que tatong simang produktivo. Or not. Ito tong simang kartiko. Ito, ting oras ito sinti, hope nice, pero ting oras ito sinti man rush tame. So, either way, mitas espero ko po ito ting umbong simang. Mi karabisa di biyaha. Feliz dia di hende muhe. Happy Women's Day. Un dia pa celebrar, pero tame pa para quieto riba. Por tayo ko, no kuno sa wakaran dinos ko ainda tapone ko women and girls no da sinti safe of no da sinti ko nang por forma parte di differente area nan di differente actividad nang dus nós sabay focus on tikribe se simang aqui outro simang atrobe ideia tá para nós sinha algo para nós pensa e reflejar eigenlijk riba com nós tur por contribuir na comunidade sociedade cultura que tá mais inclusivo para toda gente. Então, obviously, a feluna aqui focus arriba hende muhe, mas costing ora nossa focus arriba outro grupo lang tame. Without further ado, we gotta be thanking my awesome sponsors for allowing me to talk about whatever I want to talk about. So we gotta be thanking na Total, La Roche-Posay, Ina Gain. Di biyahe mi gotta be tame con nosso papia na papiamento, pero não sabe code switch, e não sabe usa palavra na inglês, não sabe papia tiki de tech and STEM, anto tem hora difícil para papia de conceito ng aqui full no papiamento, sem usa palavra na inglês, mas tem palavra com nos tem cofinha, pa sobre nos no ting na papiamento of portanto nos vocabulário nota assim na extenso, eu me bisa nos me quemen dimi of portanto um guest, so bear with us today as we code switch. But yes, without further ado, mi debe laga Lucienne, kusa nos gasi awe, reintroduce herself. So ito tate, den Cecilia Carolina, pariluna pasa. Net pro mego eleksyon. Dus no sa papia, very interesting conversations, pero awe na sa papia tiki di eigenlijk so everyday life basically. Yeah. So, Lucienne, tell us who you are and why you're here today.
Sí, mi name is Lucienne Lacle, and I'm currently a software project manager ng kompanya na Aruba, y también mita un teacher pa software project management na University of Aruba, ding a system program. And we have a community también na Aruba, onde kuno sta purba increase awareness di tech skills ng kuting boat na Aruba, y patore rubiano ng of a persona ng nase of landa na Aruba, kuta bibano ng exterior, pero toch nang bin back Aruba. And se llama WIP. WIP Aruba, and that WIP stand for work in progress. Dus
okay.
Dus work in progress is echt een tech term. Dus of in any industry basically, because you know. Dus say that kinga mita kiko mita hasi on a daily basis.
Okay. Say that kiko mita hasi on a daily basis. Mita kira toch hope hende not to really understand what that means on a daily basis. So portavo po explico nos kiko di verdad software program manager. What does that entail? Anto Mita siguro ting hende portavo no ni saku that job exists na mo di bisa. Ti hopi jobs out there ko mita kira hopi hende kung unless bata ti un specific bubble of ti un kompanya ko ti un hende sina bono sa aki kata. Tas portavo po explico nos un tiki di what that is and how did you get into it?
See, this como get into it, mita start from there, pero basically ora mita ta studie na Holanda. Mi haya opportunity pa ko stage un camina during di mi minor, and dobra de mi minor, minosa for some manera mi instincts ta hopi like no potent pero man strong.
They're there.
Ladele. This for some reason ma meneri school. Apone turi bedrijf na konos pakore stage cerca de anto for some reason ma waka number de companhia anto mita mane ina mi kerbay paso mita bahaya un trabaho ina ami mane mi da fundo lulu
it's like no it's fine sometimes that's how we have to go through it
literally the serie mita mane ina mita bahaya trabaho ere ma haya stage inana anto inanang mi manager at that time bisami okay bon Lucienne, welcome to the company. Bo proyekto ta ko botin ko by launch online portal pa in caso industry. Basta nang tapat un in caso startup pero nang nakakibra all the boundaries within a in caso industry. Basta in caso industry ta basicamente hobby tradicional pero nang kera revamp completamente. Adobra mi trabaho tapata pa automatizar fully processo pa customers nang. Dus kung anang mes tabini adobra nata hasi fulang pago online of betalingsregeling of manera si di verdad eseno ta debe, we passen objection. Dus echt een proces basta, het is zona simpel. Pero no sé
Pero
que
el puerto
diferente,
complejo.
no sé que diferente proyectos en tema de machine learning, etcétera, etcétera. Pero at the end of the day, after 6 months, ela bisami nos launch, então matra junto com developer. Então, basicamente, dus ora nos launch e ora. Dus me também explica Kiko actually é software project management da insera. Uma vez que nós launch, a minha developer nós trabalha depois nós launch after 6 months, ela bisami, oh my god, Lucienne, okay, vou querer na companhia. And then me também, okay, sure, basta, like
I said I was gonna get a job here, so yeah.
Letterlijk. Dus me também, okay. Dus ma accept a developer também, nós start at the same time. Dus basta nós build like a very beautiful bond. Ita di Moldova, so the Moldovan people are like amazing. Tem par na Aruba, dus tem par na Aruba. And so every time que me conheci o Moldova, me também, what's that? It brings back memories.
Special place in your heart.
Sí. Dus eu assim na madrenta den fintech specifically, então den fintech eu matraha diferente tipo de produto e maquera 3 anos inana, dus é uma bem Aruba. Pero basicamente aqui com software project management manager o ami agora que nós me chamando é software project manager. Pero provavelmente tem melhor product owner, provavelmente tem melhor product management. Pero at the end of the day, all of them are the same. Pero aqui como por de hasa, of course, maneira que babisa, dor com na Aruba, se me se usa product manager, ainda não sabe específico, maneira, okay, but what is it actually? Because that is me trying to find term como por position myself within the market com gente por bisa de biar okay esse é o lugar que eu hasi dus me tem ex projeto para off me por connect com ex gente bossa dessa hora que me tá chamando de meses sei pero at the end of the day que nós tá hasi tá basicamente it's the same as having a project manager pero agora que não specifically for developing an application
okay
and aqui que sei que menta com maneira of course but tem que collect requirements when you're ora maneira abomes mita assumir que vai de manejar projeto não também den health e uma vez vou começar com o projeto vou ter que identificar os stakeholders vou ter que começar a sentar com de meetings para poder compreender que é pain points são com antini então para como também solve sei então para software project manager que está hasi era of product owner que nós está hasi era nós está identify tur e pain points na inana normalmente cada software project manager of product owner conoce su mercado, su industria. Maneira a mi fintech, por exemplo, me conoce mi industria, me sa com eta hincada em outro. Uma vez me escute e pinpoints ng inana, junto com mi knowledge que me tenho de indústria e papiando com developers nós também identificar bom com uma tecnologia por resolver o problema na curantin e das vezes nós começamos a implementar que men either bota develop a aplicatie of bota configurar para sua hobby companhia na Aruba tá maneira 80-90% é número na mino para quantify specifically pero se também gevoel 80-90% de aplicatie que eu guardo usando na Aruba tá provided by international companies. Dus sei que man com Aruba bota configurar roupa de aplicações. Dus eu software project manager te ajuda com esse aí também.
Okay.
So eu vou ter que teste a aplicatie, vou ter que go open air, vou saber se é funcionalidade de verdade tá bom ou não. E também que product manager tá hasi, das vezes é de três termos que usa para identificar mesmo. Pero basicamente it ajuda promotes applications as well. Maneira product management guarda usar roupa na merca. Antara pakiko nanti mele product manager na Europa nanti chama product owner, pessoa na Europa product ownership tamas ajuda companhia na guia projeto.
Okay.
Anto na merca nanti chama product manager, pasobra botinko ajuda guia e companhia riba aplicatie que não quer implementar, pero botinko ajuda market it as well. Pasobra at the end of the day cada companhia tá either implementar aplicatie de na companhia para pagar na placa of para por reduzir ang gasto na. Então, product manager te ajuda a marketing as well. Dus het zei
dus pa eigenlijk bende efficiency die applicatie, per exemplo.
Sim, dus maar
technologie.
Dus met assumir maneira mas agora que nós comita fazendo essa aqui ticket na Aruba, tá ma vira cara de Aruba Health App, dus eu remita based by run, nós também fazendo diferente marketing, etc. Even though como nós tava ding product development, me tá fazendo de laatste fase de full product development cycle, quanto marketing.
Okay.
By center, of course, me tá fazendo com companhia também. Pero essa
Ela explica hen eigenlijk usability die app en de benefits aan die app.
Sí, exacto. Dus is esta basicamente Kiko amita hasi, of Kiko un software project manager ta, of un product owner, of un product manager.
Thank you so much for that explanation, Lucienne.
Sí.
So, I of course follow riba LinkedIn and riba all socials. Pero ba echt is idee at some point ding bo proceso ko bota bay no solamente compartir bijvoorbeeld kiko bota bezig con ne, pero op educational stuff as well. Mitawa kita algo ko mas gente está haciendo in different fields. Pero mitahanyele hopi leuk pa wak que un field ko porta a mí no necesariamente está interesado en of no necesariamente tem afinidad con ele. Meeting ko bisa siko ding healthcare mas y mas botawa ko tech industry ta merging anto bomesa tong tiki pendiente. So I am for that purpose. Pero meeting ko bisa ko in general or kumita tawak ko oslang basta mita lesa porta kung un new application of un new I don't know yung pasando siya system novo ta traha anto mita okay nice basta bom benefits anto preto hopi frio, anto just usability, whatever. Anto ba kubisa follow anto maneira ko ba papi di tech ta hope mas accessible dengan sentido di ko mita sinti maneta girlfriend ko mita having coffee with anto eta contando mi di su trabalho bota hasiele ding bota usa linguagem ko ta fácil pa sigi pa compreender anto bita wonder ki ko ta puxava pa hasi saki anto si bota sinti ko portan not enough people to doing that for all the field.
Sí. Oh, bosa, actually, it can either be a very superficial
answer
or like a very in-depth.
We got time. So, start where you want to start.
Oh. No, pero parte ko bisa ko bosa si mane ora mane dembo mesmo field un sistema novo mesmo wara implementar etc. e porta un tiki frio. Op een gegeven moment, a me assinto come abire un persona basta frio. Basta mi nota sinti manet in biaha mi ta sinti mi ta hopi serio. Anto è stata un di emotivo non come a comincia scrivi mas e pone mas information online. Paso para a mi quer develop mi mesmo soft skills as well. Paso mane ora potra ding tech, bota tra ku majority ta developers anto mi no que stigmatize yung hende, pero at the end of the day, bosa manera ding cada industry
team personality traits ko to pone ko bota excel or not, right? Anto, yeah, I understand.
Sí, bosa dos manera developers na nanti un specific stigma riba nang kutak basta natong tiki mas introverted, un tiki mas serio, un tiki mas basta gewoon do their job, etc. Dus manera kiko ta exigi manera un project man, banyak nós usamos abbreviation vamos usar SPM software sim mas a palavra software project manager de maneira
bij deze nós vamos SPM
dus SPM para facilitar o processo de implementação of compra of development de aplicatie bom ser tem soft skills dan bona porta meso introverted pa sobra eure inanang como também guia tudo full team. Abota basicamente é cara para developers, então se developers anda introverted, andra abota introverted, o projeto não também caminho. Então se eu começar a post mais online para assina a mim develop mi mesmo soft skills as well, para assina a mim porta inang panang, paso a mim porta hopi mané okay bom. Let's get the job done. Basta yung tipo de ha ha hi hi, basta. Pero dus sí, seta un dia motivo na. Ando também me sinti ko na Aruba no ko me sinti mi sabe sora me hobi riba LinkedIn mi no awa com outra persona ta papia di tópico aqui dus ma ele é da hobi importante pa nos papia over di tema aqui within technology on the island e agora que na me no ta bisa ko hey bosa dur ko ama começa post bosh hende começa post me no ta bisa say pero me ta besta wak mas traction see within the tech industry.
Qual tá efeito positivo, não? Dus eta tem hora nós pensa it's copycat and maybe it is, who cares? Importante tá que ela logra efeito onde ko boting mais traction e mais traffic conversations, discussions, hasta riba topico ng kunotating before. So be it. Basta,
Ando
Yeah.
basta mane abo awak ku hey basta awak mo muhe aki. Tabis the post riba LinkedIn, manera who is she in a very positive way, manera who is she, I want to get to know her, let me follow her, let me read her stuff, etc. Pero it's exactly the way how I found the job at University of Aruba, the system.
Okay.
And then awak mo riba LinkedIn, antora she is like, I want her to teach at the University of Aruba. Tapos yung gesprek kami ainda, nada say ainda, pero she knew that. It is about a conversation, and there I am right now. So, mita kere being on LinkedIn and putting myself out there, uno tapos ayuda a mi mes develop my own soft skills. Ipa save me di un periodo ko tapos basta difícil, paso mi na pura haya mi mes ding tech industry na Aruba pasara mino tabata sa siete existent of now kuma bisa mi ke buy back to sere makumisa postdoor di essay tambe e being recognized and toch pasa algo sali for reject as mi te kere like my main lesson kuma siya di essay taku if something is not there you build it doesn't matter how pero bota build it bota kumisa move the pieces and you create, and it's not going to happen in 1 month but it's going to happen eventually.
Which is the team, the Women's Day, right? It's a accelerate action. Anto mita kere ko mesko skubuting hopi hende muhe na Aruba pero rondi mundo ku ta haya na mesa sitwasyon ang sina, right? A sense of belonging, a sense of contribution ku ta kos nang ku ta traits nang ku ta considered very feminine pero ting humongous impact riba development di full mundo. Anto kung dilanti no sabay anto cambio nang ku ta waro hasi turoro mita bisa nos wak na Aruba mes mane tour e fundação na Aruba kuta puxando para cambio, puxando para 13 basta moveção anything a maioria din nang led by women anto
no é sem maripara verdade é sem maripara no
yep anto eta me quero que nós tenho para que na realidade com a mulher que to vai tá brincando for so much que botin é fire aiden bo que bosaki que tá paciente que ainda bono por grasp lo qual que boquear ainda bono por sentir peace e tranquilidade de gewoon mané basta I will be fine just being right das e energia but in the everyday life basta pero ting hena mulher e que tá aqui para mané hey I see you, basta vulnerable group of grupo como também para lift up voice anto mi tahanya le hope interessante anto pa mi pora wake ding very male dominant field such as tech. It's really nice. So I love to see girls striving. This with the whole oh my gosh, yes, follow.
Exactly.
Anto I'm gonna follow you, pero which is also something ko mi tahanya hope later and we talked about it. Of regros kumisata ko met echt gusto ko but very girly too.
Exactly, because you can have the best of both worlds. Like you can have it.
Anto ese course no ko me dada bisano po ko me kere dori mane is Steve Jobs' idea of technology and innovation. Ta mane ong hende mane ba bisano mane very like introverted. So Bill Gates man, so ong hende very introverted, kind of awkward.
Slightly
mane
autistic.
I see what you're saying. Yes.
Sorry.
I know. We're not going to use that word like that. But I mean, yes. Lo qual ko bolo pensa tama ni you're fine. Lo qual bata pensa lo tama ni definition, right? Mane almost like clinical, basically. Un checklist di mane un hende ko lo pas ko un diagnose asina, literally. Pero tambe mane more superficial things which I also think are important to talk, mane nanta busy chapo. Ato misako is algo que we should care too much about what people wear. But when you think of tech, you think of like white t-shirt of money mismatching t-shirt and jeans anto basa shoes and possibly like mismatched socks. I don't know. Looks like they didn't brush their hair type of vibe. Anto me quiero nos turta okay with that. So like you said, a lot of the people bubble many developers perhaps to spend a lot of time outside of the view of people, so nobody's thinking about it.
No.
Pero baka explica também para Kiko, é importante, você marketing, você convence gente, so you have to create a persona que tá, appeal to people. Pero toch ba decidi ko I'm gonna do that while also staying true to myself, which is a very feminine and girly personality. So may sinti man almost every day we look forward to stories pa walk outfit of the day.
And
like very high fashion.
And may post mas man OTDs was up, pero like I think I have to buy a proper mirror.
A proper mirror, yeah. But you're fine. Anto bata has to get ready with me. Anto bata do makeup routines, you talk about it. Anto meta pensa ko pa hopi hende muhe ora kunanta biting fields ang kuta male dominated of kuta hopi serio manera bota bisa hopi strak even though si buti yung personality kuta hopi girly and stuff bota hanya bota adjust anto bota hanya bota pasobra ku you get the weird eyes, and I have been there as well. I mean, manebo sa wak mi kinanto weekend kumi bows anto mi halo cop. Yes, this is who I am everywhere I go, peeps.
Yeah, like
But it took me a while too.
Si pa accepta bomea stammer.
Yes. Or ko madrienta basta ding mani public service field tama ti mani level di mani somberness to it. Anto this is no mani I got to be who I want to be.
Yes.
Kung bota ervare si anto portami no sa si bota wa kung verschil entre na Europa of kinanang pero it's a very conscious choice kung bota si pa stay true to who you are.
Yourself, si amita kara ora mi data trabajar na Holanda tabata ting el tiempo inana mi tabata the only one with so the team was like 8 people within the tech department, and I was the only female and persona ding legal no sabay manera basta manera Dutch nang gusto mane hasi bottle of manera basta si team building stuff mane basta sa kanabay mane ding free basta mane open legs
ang gawega
si lahat lang nasabay gameplay sa dia inang. And the illegal person aki abisami Lucienne bota mustra mane hende ko no supposed study in technology and ra amita mane wow
what does that mean?
Si basta pero mino tumele na yung manera mita mane interesting pero ikamata inana akeda riba mita dia di ave andora ay mita comporde kiko ekermen paso mita hopi feminine pero manera ko babisa dinge mundo ora eta male dominated, you have to adjust your personality, and sometimes botin kubira hopi bruto tambe antora esse November aya passa November 2000 que nossa business
25
oh my god I'm mito na age na
what year is it?
Ne me agora tempo na hora me ver sabe sai pero que ayo no sabe me mama manera what como palupida
full makaliha yung natural di man un luna pasando ay naman que 24 so I understand you're fine it's 2025 peeps
sí bom pero na November 2023 mahaya dip sobre começar a perder minha carreira.
Okay.
Anto I love my career, I'm very career driven. Pero começa a virar hopi masculine. Anto bra mi nota bota chiare sei. Mi anto bra desde dia inana mi make a very conscious choice kuno nanta algo kame na hopi simple pero mi tamane no. Ora mi lanta mainta mi ta bisti lo qual ku mi chiar bisti. Manera for example, like this dress is very like summery, very like not corporate. Na Holanda ita appropriate po business na kinana in the summer, which is completely fine. Pero na Aruba toch ita mane
spaghetti straps? How dare you?
Basta even ko ita very informal dress. Of manera po bisi tiki mas short of a skirt. Basta nanta manera but why? Basta tipo di Korea sine antobra mi manera no, ora mi lanta mainta, antra mi bisa ku mi kerbisi certo item, I am going to wear it. And if in a certain point within my career, hina tinko bisami, Lucienne, bono magdi bisi certo kos, mi ta bisa nambo sa kiko, danki, pero no danki. Pasobra, you are telling me to put myself to the side and change myself to fit within a certain box. And no po hasi is saying.
It has nothing to do with your capabilities of actually doing your job.
Exactly. Thus I cannot. Basta timbiabo ta haya comments online of basta kumane even maybe at work or in any professional setting, bota bisa man, bota bisa man, bota by fiesta. Yes, every day is a party. Yes, I'm dressed like this. What do
I
you
love
mean?
it here. What do you mean?
Exactly. Like, yes.
You don't love it here?
Exactly. Like, this in November, this 2023, I have like this awakening. Kumita man na Lucienne, you have to be more of yourself, and you have to show everyone who you are. Pa asina bo sige crece. Pa sobra hoping hinata pensa ko manera of women. Because it's International Women's Day. Women that pensa like when you enter a company or a project or something that indeed you should focus and give all your energy to that project. However, you still have to go out there and develop yourself in different projects. Pas sobra sini bota limitabo mes. Anto bota limitabo mes qua ervaring dembo carrera, pero tambe bo development di bo soft skills.
Como hende.
Bota limitabo mes. Anto bra saita algo ku mita mane I cannot stand for. I me aku misa hasi un cambio pa stay truer to who I am as a person.
E mi te quiere, lo que algo para mencionar también está unconscious bias que portamos toda carga que women me certa policed para outfits. Right? Anto eta hopi moeilijk, mi tambe tinele. Anto it's taught since we are like very young. Pero eta hopi it's like it takes very conscious active action every day. Manera bota bisa no ku bota go into spaces onde bota haya comentário nang bota be decidir ora esse comentário e também bother me see of no. Ting ora even bota bisa mane no kya be bother me but it will, right? Amito hene por exemplo, shout out na me girls sang the Baby Sisters. Me estima pen ko glitter.
Oh my god.
Like if the pen writes in glitter, I want it. I have it. I will use it. Right? Anto ami por corda ku mita mita bayro niyo mi sempre tong hena miting etui anto mi etui nang has like a bunch of colors mita skibiden kolo anto mita da cara ku mita ta haya comments about it ku mita ta haya comments about ku basta mane leuk bo painting glitter anto mane parse mane pen mi you. Basta cosa sina.
Degrading is.
Yeah, like a little condescending, patronizing.
Yeah,
and the mane, okay, una mi by navigate. Like, when is it a compliment? At the when, me reading of sarcasm, ta horrible, the sting ora mi ta gewoon,
oh my god, yes, I love.
Anto, bito mane, thanks. Anto mi collega ta mane,
girl,
what? Anto mi mane, shit.
But imbiasa bomba po talaga yung of blind to those things. Basta naman loko.
At the end of the day, I am glad. Exactly. Si no me loco. Because then you read too much into shit. Sorry for saying that word. But that is what it is. Anto, mita sinti ko unconsciously, mita hayami ori mi mens ta bira self-conscious, right? Anto mita mane, okay, porta e reunião aqui, em vez de buy com mi glitter pants, mi também com mi Swarovski pen com mahaya dia de mi graduation. Esse pen com mi também hiba kinam, esse também sério, esse também pone com mi também mostra mas não é grande. Mas echt, usa palavra não, com tiki bananas, to think about ko bota usa como adulto, ko ta unda bota pa sobra ko bota deserve to be there, pero eto com mi talento mainta, anto ainda me tá ciele, anto mi saco e não me assassina, pero tem hora me tá compra coisa para sobra me tá rainha bonita, me não think too much about it, e tem hora me tá compra coisa para sobra, sabe que tá bom para trabalho. Anto eigenlijk me tá rainha leuk. Anto eigenlijk I don't love it, pero I buy it para sobra me ser work clothes, right? Anto eta lo qual con sta carga, anto mi kemen si bota traje de área onde bota bisi uniforme, that's it. Você sabe que men bota uniforme, anto bota comply, fine. Pero si botinha ruimte pa porta bom men, si porta expressive, e within whatever bounds there may be, dus met full compreender daarmee ko boting basta regels lang over the, I don't know, dress code or whatever, for safety, for whatever reason. But it needs to police, even within yung hena to din compliance, right? Dus sa papia di ko bijvoorbeeld, bata verwacht ko hena ta bisi no hope revealing, porta whatever, until maybe they don't, itong hena sina, meeting mane, yung saya hope ko lo anto hera nating mane bedazzles and stuff like that. Anto mi paya ta full in compliance, pero ting ora ito sinti mane e comentario ne mane but ba yung fiesta después. Anto mane I dressed up for today. It's nothing special. It's just today, and this is how I'm feeling today. Afara may sapato ng turti mo glitters and bows and stuff. Anto, basta ita need the fit in. Because it's a need. It's a need.
But see, but into for example, the pants situation is it's like eeny meeny. It's such a small thing in your life. Pero ekosita asina verdad manera ayer mes for sis awita Women's Day pero ayer no sa celebrate at work. No sahaya paper scissors pen toevallig as gifts. Basta na yung super manera cute quotes on them etc. Antara ami like baby pink to my favorite color. Anta mamake baby pink mita oh my god I want that one. And this was mita mane mi homa ko ya oro. Pasora mita di mite nanta may pensa ko mita mucho girly inanta bay tumami na serio. Anta ma regrete. Even though baby pink to my favorite color since like forever mi a regrete. Dus it is something ta hope inimini, but
pero kunosta even pensa ko pen rose.
Yes.
Kiko tabay duna nos value.
Yes.
Ando que say tabay determinant, sino tabay respect it or not.
Yes, it's insane.
Misa ko por tating henan escuchando no pensa mane di hen muhe atrobe no sa papa de coisa atrobe. But people, this is why we talk about it. E fact ko pen pode determinar o nível de respeito com hen ta haya.
It's insane.
It's insane.
What?
It's insane. Pero essa realidade que nós sabemos ding, para sobre nossa allocate of nossa decidir que essa que lista de coisas que nós vai consider girly, and essa de coisas que nós vai consider manly, and nós decidir que manly means serious, manly means business, manly means money knowledgeable, and anything que on the other side sa money cute, fun, and esta hobby importante para nossa consciente de those biases that we hold. So now you're teaching.
Sí.
And teaching is so much fun.
Sí.
And I see that you like it. Iba bisami ko pa gusto and I say hope leuk. Pero but teaching in STEM, which is ito algo ko pa ayas ng basta pa movements ang dihin muhe, movements ng pa encourage girls tambe pa develop ng mes ta purbando di encourage mas e mas participation dihin muhe ding field aki. So now you're a lecturer, you are a woman, basta you are also basta embodying femininity, but embodying being you and to staying true to yourself even within that bubble. Kung I say that translate into teaching and to being there for people whose minds are being molded.
See, first of all, me akarbisa ko like teaching gives me a whole different type of energy, new energy, like refreshing, like working with students. The asina rewarding is insane. Anto kung mita staying true to myself at the university or while teaching is literally by just being me. Nice. There's no boundaries at the university. You can be whoever you are. Mane prome kumakumi sa teaching. Samper I was like a corporate girly. Samper. That's before my start. Me perception or my interpretation of your career vision always meant where are you going? How are you? How are me? So me going to how am I going to position myself within the market for me to get a next project, to talk to the next person, or to be more seen, etc., etc. Everything surrounds you. You are like
the center
everything.
of the universe. Yeah,
the center of the universe. Orma comienza a teach. Mahasi un curso, of course, because era universita, un accredited university. To the teachers something to have teen certifications and to Nantasiyaba ko a teacher's vision is completely different than a career vision. And their own teacher's vision, shout out to Mane Romano on the camera tayo. Sakit camera? Mane Romano. He's, oh my God, he's amazing.
I know, I have him on socials too.
Oh my God, Mane, oh my Diyos.
I have him on socials too.
Literally, like,
such a vibe, full of vibe.
Oh my God, I love him so much. Like, we barely, like, mahasi manera dos kursos, I love him, you know?
Yeah.
Pero he's
Mintami ka kurso pidje.
Sí, no, ay eta hopi bo meneer, eta Surinamer, antobra, he's amazing, and inspire me a lot. Pero basicamente ela siami of CNOs, taku having a teacher's vision is knowing how you are going to structure your program, your course into the weekly sessions. So I'm in those weekly sessions anto como tabe structure bo weekly sessions nang paasina bo prepara bo students nang to enter the workforce. E amino tabata say amita mane okay bo madrenta como je vrouw imita mane okay bo okay this is next
Não stigo comply ko essa kinan go
anto career basta okay basta very like pero después or desde que la bisame say ma re-strategize completamente mita manera no. So right now how I'm staying true to myself at the university is making sure que me puedo preparar todo estudiante na aqui a base de minha experiência, a base de minha struggles junto com minha knowledge de theory e de praktijk para software project manager SPM para podrenta dinge workforce. Dus mita letterlijk zien aan everything en door working aan system. I was taking 20 students for the whole program. So wow. Basta, sí, no hope itong
small program.
Sí, itong small program. It's relatively new as well. Sa the fourth or the third year as well. Anto desde mi class tin 4 estudiante, anto ra 13 nang tamucha hamra, anto ra 1 nang tamucha muhe. Anto dus kung mita base ta giya nang ta echt mane motivar ang hopi antobra laga ng wak e valor de na mes. Paso man ma bisabo na 2023 November I didn't see my value. Mi tabata ma-award up down as na hopi pasobra I was doing too much. Doing too much is not allowed. You're supposed to just sit there and be beautiful and that is it. Antara amin ba Allah will say you're not going to tell me how I should behave. Paso man nila si mi bisabo un comment kumi ayiga di haya in the corporate work mi takir ekose no tani allowed for the ears of this radio.
For radio? Wow.
No. Antara mita manera no. So mita make sure pa teach them like all of my past mistakes, so me also mistakes as well, and my learnings. Antara prepara ng hobi bom para ta fuerte y para ma que valor de na mes pa sobra. Nan ora me mapunta na un biyahe. Bosa sa kung hopi valor bosa ting working in STEM. Antara no. Ito man people like you have so much value bosa ki perception hende ting di bosa di hende ko trabalha em STEM ta ko bosa ta hende sabi ko no sa hende sabi. That is the first impression that people have from people in STEM. Antara na tamane okay yeah I don't see it. Antara mucho muhe abisa pero like why though? Because it's so easy. My visit, yes, girl, for you it's easy, not for other people. Bosa, dus ano tawa ke valor de name full ainda, pero mita purbo di yuda nang, anto ding atati umucha hamra bisa si, pero como mina tocar ko la bisa specific, pero basicamente le puntrami, pero how are we? Como está sina special? Pasobra ora mi abay compra un comida na un truck. Mabisa persona kumita ding STEM and bisa good luck finding a job on Aruba. Mabisele my dear student kiko ki posisyon e persona inanti ela bisami mita mane nothing against that position, but do you see yourself within that position in the coming X amount of years? Ela bisami no. Mabisele well then his opinion does not matter. You have so much value being in STEM and right now pasobra ito un marine scientist etc. lo cual ko ito estudiando pele if that is what you want to do in the future and if bisami ka work nanti un gente sona Aruba ta haciendo
build the path.
I told him build it. You and go and build this. Oye, kiko mita hasi?
Migemen trabaho ting pa hasi?
Yes.
So but sí, nem mi visa.
Full running nose.
Nem mi visa. Kos pa hasi ting.
Letterlijk. Dus ore kiko mita hasi din kaso nga sinemi bisa okay then you go and you build. Ore mita saka maneri be screen, mita saka mi manera e web mes ko eta community committee ni amatrele paso I needed a community.
You need a community, yeah.
I needed a community. Dus ma build anto as namila buy for the Aruba anto ma build anto mita habi koran din last anto mita mustra nang kiko I had to work for in order to for me to be here. And to pre was another inspiration. Blah, 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 blah. This was us.
But also makes it like very real. Pa sobra miti ko bisa si mi pensa riba mi college years nang mi tauta ting hena nang ESC te hena ko bata korda ku tauta sina ku meeting echt professors lang ko tedia di awe meeting nang on socials meeting nang ko igibinga roba bishitami basa.
Oh, that's so cute.
Si anto pa so ma build un relationship ko nang anto it had to do with that, right? Ko pura ta honest ko mi hena nang ko basa pura kontami kwanto bihana redefine ang mes anto kung di verdad nang end up ding mani academia or whatever, right? Pero ito tuma hope di yung hende pa bukis pa ta vulnerable pero mi giting minatulubida professor aqui no Gamas ito US history professor ito un javak lang ko bading ko stuma pa sobra may itong estudyante ko ta international student anto so I had never had US history pero pa may graduate you have to do it this ito ba this very like awkward thing anto history is not my thing either I cannot remember dates for my life mane or basta lao mane anto mi tata papia ko nele anto basta la yudami haya topics ang kusita ta interessante anto my end up has me paper on like factory farming anto how that's developed in America and stuff like that super cool pero kiko ponemi click ko nele anto comprende basta importancia di local ko ta teaching etc ta e pura humanize o mes
very good.
Yes.
Hey, that word is key.
Humanize o mes so ita de un authoritative position it's me que me grades depend on her opinion di mi paper no mo bisa right pero tambe achteraf dus ora kuma kabe vak madisidi di by take more history classes so encourage me ding basta just knowing about things that happened. Anto, mi tato papi ko nele, ele bisa mi basa karoon natin kosang ko, genuinely natin miedo di share, non solamente pa sa batong professor, anto bating ko maintain un authoritative figure, so bating ko dance, fine dance between humanizing and also not crossing boundaries.
I know.
Pero reala kung tami-tami ko ting kosang ko como hende muhe, ting hopi mas miedo di papia, ko outro, being, por example, se te kis papa pe hopi di mane suyo nang off na right pasuri ta mane this idea ko mane itong parent ete mama anto pero ri bonota focus 100% din botrabaho pasobra you know you're a parent anto me te quiere ko pabokis como hena muhe pa por pape ko estudiante nang di mane challenges nang ko bota go through ta it's putting yourself in a vulnerable position tambe regardless pero se te tipo de coisa ko hena ta carry kutabay genuinely yun nang hopi mas ko probablemente alas lang ko but actually do nang
completely agree
paso this is real life
eta real life
this is real life anto yeah
sí and parte ko episode de crossing boundaries oh my god ainda me tá sendo
dancing between that yeah
oh my god ainda sendo paso amita wana ko mi friends mane basa mane
bapareo
hey lato la das
inanta
pero anyway see this mabay school de laser mabay dati yung ko mesrasi na university anto mawag on mi students amita mane hey mabay to yung brass ito mane what amita mane oh my god oh my god magna-trauma mo nung pare di oh my god did I cross a boundary pero yeah basta mag-get over it pero amita full man mahod I'm still learning
but it is also part of it right comportable ta gewoon Cindy that is you anto that is how I would say hi anto
basta pero yeah dat Alexi
so si bo por pensa di bo ervaring na bo both in corporate and now basta din academia tambe si bo por pensa di moments lang ko pa bo tao man make or break I mean ba mention na wori before bigi hayo komentaryo nang ko not for the ears of Saturday morning radio pero kiko ta ki moments ang pabo ko como hende muhe bloquear toch hasi hende bawes ribajele ko ta like make or break moments like the good things ko you would want more people to do or think about also things ko portang hende ta hasi ko or no bueno
sí mi ta quiere so si bono si despa ami kikita one thing that's ayuda mi forma mi mes to putting myself more out there antara un clear example de ese taku amin nunca desde año pasado I was na comienzo the our talk ba mention oh my God, it's Women's Day again. Oh my God, well, this topic, blah, blah. Pero I was in that position 2 years ago. Amin na awak ibalor ding Women's Day. Amin naman, why are we celebrating this? Aren't we degrading ourselves even more? Basta putting this much attention on this topic. Like if we just blend in, then eventually we will just have equality. But no, that is not the case. And di kong mi-realiza ko that is not the case is because I've put myself out there. And raki ko mahasit ako again in November 2023 when I had my dip. I was like, no, I need to go out there. So I went to Colombia. I had a presentation. The Colombia's tech market is humongous.
Okay, nice.
Dus mabay na mahafong presentation and to mi-aser ko all the women within that industry as well. Are we nasa ding February, March? This maybe oh my God, even that. Pero I think it was in the same year because it was women in tech. That was a women in tech.
So
that was
probably toto din yung luna ng aki.
Yeah, so it was women in tech, mahasang presentation, and then afterwards we went to eat. And then at the table, mahaf as sinopi conversations ko nang andora nang abisami the importance of raising awareness of women in tech or women in STEM. And the importance na Colombia ku na Aruba no sting masya grande ta ku na Colombia ti un inequality masya grande mes. Andora nanta usando STEM initiatives or tech initiatives payuda as un escape mechanism pa ihenda ng kunuting yung otro salida. Pasabra ainda masculinity ta hope mas higher na Aruba no sapos ora minuting hope like male people like around me pero na Colombia masculinity ta hope alto anto initiatives na akita yuda muhe sali di bad environments pasobra Colombia ta one of the tech hubs within the world unda ku kompanya na ta outsource tech projects pasora ta mas barata. The second nampor traha ng pita di nobo hopi mas lihe pasora ta hayo external income ta drin ta Colombia. Dus inana marialisa mit ha kepa valentro manera especially all those indigenous people or people within the villages etc. Basta ihina na kita bayad to the villages ng hasi tech initiatives na pasakan andi sitwasyon kunanta antoro inana marialisa ku Lucienne si nunca ba no asala di bo bubble nunca ba no lo appreciate Women's Day pasobra bo no awaki impacto dor ko na Aruba no so ti un inequality asina grande no so ti un pobreza
eta hopi mas sopto se non se ta penros bosaya ta mucho kartiko afera mane un comentario foi slapa so gasaya ta mucho kartiko you know pero nota maneira bota bisa e nível de violence ko bota wak na país ng kuting ora ta hopi cerca de nós.
And the Colombia women mujer ta guarda hopi sexualized no it's insane bosa dus pese esta one of the key things como assim de mi carrera. Always put yourself out there even if you are extremely in love con un proyecto of un compañía toch hasikos na banda pasobra it gives you perspective in life and it's lo cual ko ta formaba como hende. Dus inana masinha apreciar Women's Day agora kinang team biyaha because of societal norms mita assim de maneira ainda ecosmera Women's Day basta pero mita maneira I'm fighting against it basta menos aqui tipo de fear or trauma it is but it is something that embedded within me antara ko mikyar kita. Dus that is one of the good things ko masinha ta mi carreira and
I love it.
See, and one of the bad things it's like something kuta bad, pero ita algo ku nunca me gusta, pero you have to do it. It's corporate politics.
Yeah.
Corporate politics. Ekos inana pa ami, I've gotten better at it, but it is not my favorite.
Yeah.
It is not.
Anto da chaos ko midikere sibo kiarbiding corporate bubbles badin ko gewoon develop.
Sí.
Anto yeah, I understand.
Sí, I
understand.
Aquí ko pa bisa pero seita lo cual ko mita working very hard on. However, it is very challenging because you're dealing with different personalities that has different agendas, different, things and
and finding a fine balance between staying true to yourself but also playing the game so you can participate.
Playing the game.
Yeah.
Dus tu pensei mesmo maneira ave minha amiga, né, dias nós também maneira boto, maneira assim que quiser. Anto abis minha amiga, girl, like who is going? Pa sobra
Prepara mentalmente because
yes, pa sobra like in the weekend, I want to be myself. I do not want to go in my weekends to an event where I have to put a mask on because I have to conduct or behave in a specific political way to move my way up, to be strategic. No, me quero like relax. Mane lagay na pas. Mane. And the weekends at least, like I need to recenter. Basta? This.
Lucienne, thank you so much for this conversation.
Yes, thank you.
Me quero bisa ko algo ko ma-share algum tempo passado, me deve me pohanyele pa share bom dia mani awe anto me cara ko ora ko share botar me reply riba gele im que sabe me share anto tata this like quote ko I think this is a quote, but it was one story cortico about relaxed women. Anto, lo cual ko bisa kind of just segues right into that, right? Ito ko hene muhe for the longest time, tingo trabaho mas duro ko ng male counterparts, power respetar, power do valued in different fields, right? Anto, zeker men, com maioria de nós, younger women, ora nós pensa riba hene muhena de nos vida, nós por probably pensa riba hene muhena kuta tra duro, mita wakto repouso ng ribundia mane ave, right? Mita bisa, mita kasi sente mane ave, tu mane um de dos de mama, pero anyway, se for uma conversação para outro dia, ave nota um de dos de mama, song nang mane ta mama, nota ementeng de hene muhe, me diz que esse hobby do lo curato, it is a very beautiful thing, pero ave nota de mama. No, ave nota de mama.
No.
Pero bota que sei, right? Bota ko nos tur por pensar bom hene muhe fuerte, nos tur por pensar bom hene muhe kuta inspirar bom hene muhe kuta traduro, hene muhe basa kuta inovativo, pero ho pitiki de nós por pensar bom hene muhe ku tauta na paz. Truly. Kuta relaxed. Truly. Anto nós pensam, sim, tá vai spa que correndo, tu musa relax, ora tá vai sumir e pede, etc. Pero por uma pensa e vai hena morrendo com de barata go through life, anto ku bota sentinanta echt na paz. Anto nós turda contribuir na off pa mais de nós por chegar e ponto E, of pa nós nota chegar ponto E. And it has to do with the fact que nós tá biba tá pensa riba si e pen que nós vai escrever com de reunião tá vai matter or not.
It's like story ko forever like I'm going to remember cause
yes,
I never thought I wasn't the only one.
But that is why te ora ko nós no Mr. pensa riba e tipo de coisang E, nós nota vai tá those peaceful women that we would like to be and see, right? Those relaxed women who por gewoon go through life seeing money overthink it too much. So thank you so much for this conversation.
Hey, thank you for inviting me.
I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Yeah, me quero avisar ko outro simang nos vai seguir tigre be tópico lang aqui. Hoje vamos vai tingurian também papo com nós about hene muhe e making decisions in healthcare. Me quero ser tópico ko tem hora também fastidioso para papo de gele, pero ora nos pensa riba healthcare eta outro ora ko hene muhe boting imes ko hene but outro condition nang kuta kam for, and it's just you know how biology works. Pero advocating for it ti ora nos tawak ku por mi ho. So we will be talking about that kuta meta undi tema nang di aqui com nossa papo de accelerate action. So me espero você enjoy o resto do dia. E quero agora boa ku se você tem hene muhe and bossa lives, which all of you probably have. Yes. Check in ko nang basta punta nang kiko talaga nang sinti bon, kiko talaga nang sinti safe, kiko talaga nang sinti appreciated, valued, anto maybe be open to a conversation about what you can do to contribute to that, right? Contribute more to that. So yeah.
And sometimes a woman in leadership position just needs a hug.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I agree.
See.
Happy Saturday. I will see you again next week. Thank you to my awesome sponsors for allowing me to talk about whatever I want to talk about. Thank you to Total, to Laura Jose, and to Gain. I appreciate you so much. Me quero bisa tami ko shout out na to the women behind these brands. Kuta me contact people e kuta support the tipo de conversação ng aki. I really appreciate you giving me the space to talk about these things. So yeah, shout out di Biami, shout out na Carolis, na Luen, na Monica, in Ana Maria, ta echt, I Christine, ta Mina Swift. I really, really appreciate you all. Trove all amazing women kutawake, importancia di, trese, yeah, social responsibility forward. So, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.